This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy.macklin. Move-in ready, lovingly cared for, one owner home. Nice dishwasher, 2019, newer stove, 2018, dehumidifier, 2018, and replacement windows. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. All bedrooms good size, outstanding storage throughout. Low maintenance exterior, all vinyl wrapped, and in-ground sprinklers. Large fenced-in backyard, deck and patio area plumbed with gas connection for grilling. 1-year home warranty with 210. Freshly painted. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy.macklin at 757-873-6900.